Hello everyone. In this video, I will be assembling a helicopter model and animating it. All this progress that I'm showing now has taken me a lot of time. I've been studying Blender for more than a month now, spending an hour or two every day learning different lessons. I decided to post my progress on YouTube to record this knowledge just for myself. I'm interested in what my next work will look like, how my learning in this product will develop. It's a pretty interesting topic for me, and I'm also watching what's happening in the field of artificial intelligence. It's very interesting, but I still don't think it will replace 3D modeling in the quality that is needed so quickly. Yes, it generates a lot of ideas. It's a very cool tool. I really like it. I may try to use it in some way if I have time, but for now, I'm starting to learn the product. I think I will spend a lot of time on it. There are also a lot of tools that are developing very quickly, but I haven't gotten to them yet. It's still difficult for me. So I'm still trying what is available to me, what I can learn quickly, and I'm slowly practicing every day. I take the time to try new things, but I don't always have a lot of time during the day, because I also have my own day job. For now, it looks like this, and we'll see what happens. Join us if you are interested. Sorry, English is not my native language. I use a translator and a voice generator. Maybe later when I practice, I will get the courage to start speaking myself. Thank you, and see you soon.